Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're cooking delicious pork cutlets in our cast iron skillet. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do, we need to cut this pork chop in half. It's kind of thick, so we're going to do that. Just like that. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to take our cutlets, since it has some fat on the edge here, and we're going to cut that a little bit so it doesn't curl up on us. Just like that. Because nobody likes curly cutlets. Okay. And there you have it. We'll take this one, put it aside for a minute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a plastic bag, and we're going to put that in a plastic bag here, and we need to flatten it out some. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to flatten that out using a meat hammer that I can't find and seems to be missing. So we're going to use one of these instead. Yep, we're going to use our flat bar nail puller here to flatten the chops. Yep, that should work just fine. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's start flattening. Okay, that ought to do it. Yeah. Okay, here, let's see how we did with our flat bar. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. Okay. Yeah, that turned out really nice. Now we have to do this other one here and make it nice and flat. Yep. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's put this one in the bag. Okay. Now we'll get our flat bar. Yeah, this thing is definitely for, prying things up in the air and pulling nails, in construction there. But I'm going to tell you, it works really good as a hammer. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I think we done mashed it enough, don't you think? It's thin enough, I know that. Okay, let's get that out of the bag and we'll start getting ready to season it up and make it nice and tasty. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's see how we did here. We'll get that out of the bag. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there, nice. We'll just put that with the other one. Boy, don't they look nice? They really look nice. Yep, now all we have to do is season them up good and put a nice coating of breading on there and fry them up in our cast iron skillet. Yeah, they're going to taste good. Let's get started. Okay, for this recipe we're going to use half a cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to put that right in there. Okay, now we're going to crack 2 eggs. Okay, to our eggs we're going to add about 1 ounce of milk, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And we're going to mix that up. Okay. Now we have our unseasoned homemade breadcrumbs here. We're going to put them right in there. Just like that. To that, we're going to add half a tablespoon of rosemary and a half a tablespoon of thyme. A little bit of garlic powder and some paprika. Just a little bit here. Now you can add the smoky flavor kind. That's what I just did. Smoked paprika. Yeah, that always tastes good. 1 teaspoon of your favorite Italian seasonings. And some grated Parmesan cheese. Boy, our breadcrumbs smell good, and we didn't even start cooking yet. So let's just mix them up. Okay. And to kick our breadcrumbs up just a little bit more, we're going to add just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Yeah, let's mix that in. Okay, now our breadcrumbs are ready. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's get ready to coat our nice pork cutlets. Yeah, that's going to be tasty. Okay, let's take one of our pork cutlets here. Now, we patted them dry as much as we could. So let's just go ahead and take one, and we'll put it in the flour. We'll flour it up good, just like that. Okay. Then we'll put it in our egg. Just like that. And we'll take it out and put it right in our breadcrumbs. Yeah. Make sure you get enough of them on there because they're good. Take your breadcrumbs and pat them in. Boy, it is starting to smell good, and we didn't even start cooking yet. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. Alright, let's put that right here. Nice. Let's do our other pork cutlet here. We'll just put it in the flour. Flour them up good. Okay, that looks good. Alright, and then we'll go right in the egg. Make sure that egg coats it good. And we'll go from there right into our breadcrumbs. Just like that, and we'll put them breadcrumbs on top of there. Boy, this is going to be tasty. Pat them in. Okay, let's see how we did. Boy, that looks really good. Okay, let's put that on a plate. Just like that. Boy, they're nice. Look at them. Beautiful right there. Yep, now all we have to do is fire up our skillet and fry these babies up. Boy, they look good. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. Put some oil in a pan. Make sure you put plenty of oil. Okay, and let that heat up. Okay, let's see how hot our oil is with a digital thermometer here. 324.25. Okay, we're good. That's perfect. Okay, now all we have to do is put our beautiful pork cutlets right in there, and we'll lay them in real gently like. Okay, Now we'll let them go maybe 2-3 minutes per side, and we'll flip them over, see how they're doing. Okay, I'm gonna spin them around a little. Okay, I'm gonna let that go maybe another minute. Okay, it's been another minute. It's only been about 2 minutes total, but I'm gonna take a look at them. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Okay, I'm gonna let them go maybe another minute or two, and they should be done. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's shut off our burner. Let's see how we did here. Wow. Okay. Wow, look at that. Can you see them? Boy, are they nice. Yeah, they're done the way I like them. They're toasty. And boy, do they smell good. Yeah, okay. Can't wait to get into them. Okay guys, here's our delicious pork cutlets that we just got done frying up in our cast iron skillet. Yeah, that sounds good. Now we're going to add a little bit of gravy. Oh yeah. Tiny bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. We like pepper. Okay, with the seasonings and the breadcrumbs there, the rosemary, thyme, and a little bit of cayenne pepper there. You know, salt and pepper. Yeah, that really is going to taste good. Okay, let's get into a little piece. Okay. Let's see how it is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful right there. Can you see it? Looks good. Let's just have a little taste. Oh, it's beautifully crunchy there on the outside. Moist and tender on the inside. Let's try these potatoes with the gravy. Oh yeah. Beautiful dinner right there. We gotta have another little piece. Okay. Can you see it? It's still moist in there. It's got the wiggle test. Beautiful. Okay. Oh yeah, is that tasty? Alright, let's put a little more gravy on there. We like our gravy. Well, there you have it, guys. Delicious pork cutlets done in our cast iron skillet with special seasonings and herbs in our breadcrumbs. Rosemary, thyme, and cayenne pepper. Kicked it up a notch, didn't it? Yep. And boy, it was really tasty when we tasted it. And the pork didn't dry out because we fried it at a fairly high temperature and it crisped the outside up really nice and fast without drying out the inside. That's good. And our mashed potatoes and brown gravy, boy, is this tasty. You're gonna love this one right here. Yep. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A nice chilled glass of wine. Yeah, that sounds good. Mmm. Good.